my sister Haley are going to show you a little segment called What Lies in Your Refrigerator. Yes, folks, we haven't cleaned this refrigerator out since school started last year, and it is June. It's almost July, and it's been since last August. Dear God, help us. So we're going to start now. Yeah, I like my music. I can handle. All right. This is our refrigerator. I just made that Kool-Aid. It's lime green. Okay. Trooper, you want to hold the camera? Just kidding. We're going to put you guys in our dishwasher so you can see what we do. Make sure it's on that. Can you see us? Can you see the fridge and everything? That's too low. Hold on. Technical difficulties, folks. Hold on. Go up there and look and see if you can see us. I'll put this. Yo. Alright, here we go. Can you see us? Yeah. Alright, here we go. Milk! It expired in April 3rd. No. Oh, we gotta pour that out. No idea.
Trooper, stop smelling.
What is that?
The gooey jello.
This seems to be Jello. You just want to throw the whole can. We gotta clean that out. Okay. Ketchup. We got this at Sam's Club. We haven't been to Sam's Club since last August. What is that? Oh my God! Get it away. Get it away. Oh, that stinks.
French onion dip.
Turn this to be.
Sale by January 5th. Oh, 8.
That expired in January.
Oh, 8.
Welcome to June, people.
Oh, 8.
Let's make some eggs. Not. Ew. These expired April 6th. Oh, they stink. Oh my God. Let's say, I don't even know what this is supposed to be. Welcome to Kingdom Fungi.
This is not pea, but it looks like
That looks like rotten peas. People probably haven't peed in that container since who knows when. Did you put anything back through here? Half and half. I sure do want some coffee now. Shake it up. Chunky. This expired in March.
This is supposed to be butter, maybe.
This is supposed to be butter.
Oh,
Oh, it's on my leg!
Okay, that stinks.
I don't know what that was. We're gonna need new bags. Oh my gosh, my fingers are green.
If it isn't the cheese ball from the New Year's party, Mom.
New Year's party. Isn't that in January? This sure was. Oh God, Trooper's eating that nasty stuff.
Bad dog. Alright.
Are you a cheese ball fan? We're not. Hey, what's that purple stuff? Oh, what's that little fork thing? Trooper, don't touch that.
Go in there.
Don't these things go in the freezer, people?
Oh, well, let's touch it.
Oh.
What's this?
I think I'm dead. I think I'm dead.
Ugh.
Green Kool-Aid, which is okay because I just made this. What's that? Grease. More grease, good for your heart. More grease. That one's bubbly.
Let's see what this is. Oh, this is so disgusting.
Ew, Trooper, no. Trooper likes this stuff.
This from the New Year's
Trooper's
party
a nasty dog he used to use.
Isn't this from the New Year's party too?
I don't think that's even open. Just stick it in here. Cool Whip. We've never had Cool Cool Whip in this house.
It's not Cool Whip.
It's sweet potatoes. I bet they're real sweet
I
now.
think Granny made those too. I think, I'm not sure.
Mmm, cheese snack. Hey, it still looks like cheese. Is it still good? I dare you to eat it. Alright.
Give me $5.
That expired in 2007. It's 2008.
Bacon soda.
Bacon soda's
December
alright.
18th, 07.
No, it's not.
I got this at Christmas. If you're my family, you remember this. I wouldn't share it. Actually, I don't know if I did or not, so I'm just going to say it.
Throw it away. What's the date on it? 2009. That's still good.
It is, and this is too. And so is this.
When you start eating.
More grease.
Oh boy, we are one greasy family. Oh my god. Haley, what the heck? Look how pretty this is. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty.
Let's keep it.
Let's keep it.
Oh, it stings.
Hello, Grease.
I know what that is now. It's that Easter egg coloring.
This should be the musical Grease. I don't even want to look at that one.
Let's look at it. No, I want to look at it. I think it's a turtle. Oh my gosh, I'm not even playing. It looks like a turtle.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Kristen.
No, there's more in here.